Hello everyone and welcome to my math teacher. We have this question, x plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 7 equal 9. And let's find the values of x. So as we can see here, we have the product of 4 factors. So if we're gonna expand these 4 factors, we're gonna get x to the exponent 4, which is hard to solve. But what we will do here, if we look at this number, this is 1 and 3, 5, 7. So 1 and 7, if we add 1 and 7, will give us 8. And if we add 3 and 5, so this gives us 8. So what we're gonna do here is reordering these factors in this way. X plus 1, x plus 7, and then we take x plus 3 and x plus 5 equal 9. And now we will expand 2 by 2 these two factors, which gives here x squared and x plus 7x, this is 8x, and 1 multiplied 7, 7, multiplied by, again here, x and multiplied x, this is x squared, 3x plus 5x, 8x, and 3 multiplied 5 gives 15 equal 9. So now we have product of two factors. Again, here we have x squared plus 8x, x squared plus 8x. So let's take this variable as a new variable u, and here u. And then we get u plus 7 multiplied u plus 15 equal 9. So here we make a change of variable, u equal x squared plus 8x. Now let's here for the factors of u, if we expand, we get u squared and plus 7u plus 15u, this gives 22u, plus 7 multiplied 15, this is 105 equal 9. And let's move 9 to the other side and change its sign, so we got u squared plus 22u plus 96 equal 0. Now we have another quadratic equation in u. Here we have 22 and 96. Here notice that 6, and if we multiply 6 times 16 will give us 96, and if we add 6 plus 16 gives 22. So the factors here, u plus 6 and u plus 16 equals 0. So again, if we expand this one, we'll get u squared plus 22u plus 96 equals 0. So the roots are negative 6 and negative 16. So each factor is 0, u plus 6, 0, or u plus 16, 0. And this gives u equal minus 6, and here u equal negative 16. Now let's go back and find the value for x. Remember, u is x squared plus 8x. So first, for u equal negative 6, this implies x squared plus 8x equal negative 6, which means x squared plus 8x plus 6 equal 0. And to get the roots here, we use the formula x equal negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So the roots here x equal negative b is negative 8, negative square root of b squared, this is 64, minus 4 multiplied 6, 24, over 2, which is minus 8, minus square root 64 minus 24, this is 40, and down 2. So x equal minus 8 minus and 40. 40 can be written as 4 times 10, and 4 outside the square root gonna be 2 square root 10 over 2. Simplifying by 2 both, so this is negative 4 negative square root 10. So this is x1, and then x2 is gonna be negative 4, just here take it as plus square root 10. So this second value and this is the first value. So this is for the case u equal negative 6. Now let's solve when u is negative 16. For u equal negative 16, let's take it this way. U equal negative 16, this implies x squared, here this is u, x squared plus 8x equal negative 16. And then let's move negative 16 to the other side and we'll change its sign. So x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals 0, which is x plus 4 squared equals 0, and this implies x equal minus 4. So the solution for this equation as x1 equal minus 4 minus square root 10, x2 equal minus 4 plus square root 10, and x3 is negative 4. If you want to improve your math, just like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.